So what is DMAIC? Why do we have to use this qualitative method DMAIC in our business? What is the use of DMAIC tool? DMAIC is a package of tools having a lot of ideas, and why do we have to call it as a tool? Because it is having many charts, histograms, statistical and analytical processes, and it's going to govern the business. It's going to take care of the quality part of any process. So what is DMAIC? It is define, measure, analyze, identify, control. So what do we have to define? See, when you are running the business, consider it as a process. And if you are not able to meet the expectation of the customer, so then the problem is there. So you need to identify the problem, whether the problem is with the product or with the solution what you have provided, or it can be happened with any part of the process. It's not just related to the product. It's about the service, it's about the delivery, it's about the solution what you are providing. So you need to identify the problem at first. So if you are not able to identify where the problem is, you are not going to solve it. So it's all related to the quality. So if you are not able to cross this particular yardstick, this quality test, every product is going through this particular phase, then only it will be delivered to the customer. When you are targeting the customer, and you must understand the values whatever included in your product and how you are going to deliver it, how they are going to receive it, and how you are going to provide the maintenance, or how it is going to sustain, and how you are going to provide the future features. Are you going to add any features that's going to be the foundation for the future technologies? We really don't know about what is going to be there in the future, but it must be flexible so that you can simply deliver the product with the confidence. Okay, I'm delivering this particular product to you that is having these many features, and it passed all the quality checks, and I'm delivering it to you. And you have the confidence, as well as the customer on the other end receiving the product, having the hope, as well as he will be back. And it's not just for the maintenance purpose, like there are many things. So at first you need to define the problem, and you need to identify the causes, and also you need to set the goals. At first you need to define the problem, then set the goals. When are you going to deliver the product? And it's not just related to the goal, vision related thing. Of course, every concern is having the vision. The quality is very much attached to all the standards related to it. So you must define the problem, then you must set the goals, metrics, everything. Then the next step is measure. So you need to identify the root causes, where it is getting started, in which phase it is getting started, how many times it is happening. So what is the, once you identify that root cause of the problem, you need to record it. You need to analyze it. Then the next part is coming. That is called analyze. You need to record each and every event. How many times it is happening, when it is happening, in which phase it is happening. And if you are providing the solution, is that the quick fix or is that going to be the permanent solution? And once you identify the problem, you must understand one thing. Like, you cannot simply go and solve it in that phase itself. It can be created by just one issue or just one thing or too many things. So you must isolate the causes. It might be related to, say, number A. It's not number 1, number 2, number 3. Just label it, and you need to provide the solution for it. So you know how to isolate it. You must record those things and the frequency, everything. Then you need to identify, so isolate the particular issue. So you already analyzed, so you got the data in your hand. So you need to identify the critical inputs. When you are understanding the inputs causing the problem, then it is easy for you to deliver the product. You can control it. You can control the whole process because it is related to inputs. So when you are able to identify the critical inputs, then you can easily control the process by controlling the inputs. So ultimately, it's going to provide the outcome with accuracy, without defects. So this is all about DMAIC, that is define, measure, identify, define, measure, analyze, identify, control. At first defining the problem, then measuring the frequency, then you are going to analyze it, then you are going to identify the root cause of an issue, then you are going to control it. That's it. It's all about DMAIC. All 5 phases are there. And how we are going to do it? We do have to do the little maths because we need the statistical inputs. And we have to understand the whole scenario with the inputs as well as the time. So we need to calculate with the charts and the histograms, and many calculations must be done. So let us talk about it. And till then, please take care. Have a good night. Bye bye.